Good morning all. It's Will. I'm back again with 25 to life here, working on the jet drive. I told you there was a hull mod in order. Well, here it is. It's not perfect. I mean, I still got some sanding to do here and clean this up, straighten the edge out, but I got a little low here. But what I did last night is basically I just chopped a big hole in it. I started out by grinding it, trying to ease the top off, but you can see where I made the hull mods. It's going to make a massive improvement. But overall, there's about the amount of material that was removed, and you can see my hull's about an 1/8 inch thick. So we're gonna go back, put that back today, or I put it back last night, but I'm gonna work on filling it today. I'm still waiting on this to cure. I removed the plastic, but what I ended up doing is I put a piece of aluminum on here as a stiffener from this corner up there. You can see the hole I had here for mounting it into the inboard to hold this flat. And after I cut all this out, I actually wrapped it with shrink wrap. That's why you can see kind of the wrinkles on it, but it is pretty smooth. I mean, other than a few spots here, but it's low here anyway, so I'll have to refill it. But yeah, it actually turned out pretty darn good and was pretty easy doing it with the shrink wrap. And I'll sand this out one more time and profile it. And then once I get this side done, I'll turn around and hack that side. We'll do the same thing. But yeah, it's working out pretty good. So I can show you the inside too, I suppose. Let me pause it. All right, and there's our inside. And that's where I filled it from, of course. Put the shrink wrap on the outside and did the filler from the inside. So the inside of the hull turned out pretty decent. So maybe a few little air bubbles in there, but I'll poke them and drill them and fill them from the outside with a little syringe and fill the air bubbles in. So yeah, that's what I've been working on. Thanks, y'all. Hey, y'all, I'm back. It's Will. This is 25 to life. I told you I'd give you an update here as hull modifications go. And there you can see the mods that I made. This side here I did a little sand work too. This side I haven't yet. It's still tacky from the resin set, and it'll be tomorrow before I can work on it. But I have some filler work to do, smoothing to do. Back here I have to square these off a little bit, take some kicker out of that. But overall, that's the new intake design from a deep V before with a kicker to none to a shallow V ramped into a jet drive. So it's definitely a little bit of a conversion to make, but it's coming along nicely. So it won't be long. I'm hoping within a week here I'll have her out in the water again. So I'll keep you posted. Good morning, y'all. It's Will. I'm back working on 25 to life here today. Well, not today, but I told you I'd give you an update, show you where I'm at. Yeah, the weather's turning on us here, and it's going to be cold the next probably 2-3 days. So you probably won't see much progress get made on this unless I drag it down to the shop, take it indoors. I might. But you can see where I'm at with it. I got a little bit of grinding and filling to do on the left side that's just glassed, and the right I've pretty much about done with the filler. I just got to do the final sanding coat on it. And I don't worry about every little imperfection in this boat because, like I said, it's been finished and sanded out probably 4 or 5 times in its life. So it's been through a lot. And it's been wrecked a few times too. So, but yeah, that's where she's sitting. So like I said, I showed in the previous video how much material I actually did take out of it. I mean, that's a pretty serious amount of lift right there, and off the top edges I no longer needed because of the design, the new weight of the boat. So yeah, pretty crazy. That's what I'm up to. Thanks.